Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations. Today is a Knit Picks unboxing. If you missed it, there was a sale a few weeks ago, actually 2 weeks ago, where you could buy skeins of yarn for $2, $4, or $6. I did a little shopping. So let's open up the box and see what I got in here. So the first thing I bought, I have I have 6 skeins of Brava worsted weight, and I think this is called Brava Speckle. The color, let's see, here we go. The color is called Rosebud Speckle. And it's a pretty rosy, kind of goes from a rose to kind of a cherry here, but the background here, it looks white, but it's not. It's kind of a real light pink. So yeah, and then there's lighter pinks in here, and then goes to this darker kind of a cherry red. It is 100% acrylic. There's 218 yards per skein, and this is a 4-weight yarn. So I have 6 skeins of that. So here is all 6 skeins. Kind of matches what I'm wearing. And by the way, what I am wearing is a knit crate yarn. This is a cotton bamboo linen, and it is a color work t-shirt. It's basically the flax light sweater, and then I made it with short sleeves, and I did like some color work up top, and then the bottom part is all solid. Well, you can see it here. The bottom part is all solid pink. So similar colors to the speckle, but this is more of a maroon. So yeah, it's very comfortable. Right now where I'm living, it is extremely hot and we have some massive power outages. So hopefully this video will go up on time, unless we lose our power. We currently have our power, but most of our county is out due to the heat. We've been hitting between 95 and 100 degrees. And that's Fahrenheit, so it's been very hot. So yeah, anyway, on to what else I bought. I also bought 3 more skeins of the fur yarn. This is called Fairy Tale Fur. So I have 3 different colors here. This first one is, it's called Folk. And it's kind of there's a black or dark brown in here, and then it has lighter brown tips to it, and I just dropped it. And then there's this one, which kind of reminds me of a teddy bear. It's a kind of a light brown, and then the tips on it are white. And the color of this is, where's it at? This is called Breccia. And let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a 4-weight, and how many yards are here? 71 yards per skein. So there's that one. And then the third one, this one is called Lapin. It's black with kind of gray tips, which is perfect because I wanted to make more hedgehogs, and I ran out of this yarn and it was out of stock. But look, this is identical. You cannot tell the difference. I think I bought this from Temu. I got this one. I think I paid $2 for each of these skeins as well. I think most everything I bought, except the last thing I'm going to show you, was $2. So yeah, so now I can make some more hedgehogs. And then the last 2 things that I got are 2 of the same thing. And these are bear yarn. And this is bear yarn, meaning I can dye it if I wanted to. I'm not going to. This is Knit Picks palette yarn. It's 100% Peruvian wool. And there are 436 yards per 100-gram skein. And I bought 2 skeins. So there's a total of 400, 472 yards here. I'm not going to be dyeing this. This is fingering weight. I am making another one of these hexagon blankets, but the hexagons are a little bit bigger, and it's going to be for our bed. Now, the one behind me here, I actually sewed by hand. This one, I think I'm going to chain, connect it by chain stitch all the way through. And so I needed something neutral. So that's what this is going to be used for, is for the attaching all of the hexagons together later this year. So that is what I got from my latest Knit Picks purchase, although I did partake of another sale that happened. There was one running earlier this week that I'm filming where it was up to 65% off in clearance, and then the very last day of the sale they offered free shipping, so I bought some more. Anyway, can we ever have enough yarn? But anyway, I bought some more, so there will be another Knit Crate or Knit Picks unboxing coming up shortly whenever that arrives. So I hope you've enjoyed this little yarn unboxing and be watching for the next one that will be coming up shortly. I'm also going to be doing a yarn sale in the near future because I am still clearing out my yarn stash of things that I'm not using, or leftover skeins from projects and things like that. So that will be coming up shortly, hopefully next Friday, so be watching for that. So if you haven't already, please click that little red subscribe button down below, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow. Provided I have internet and electricity, I will see you tomorrow for our regular Saturday videos. Bye everybody.